I'm Taylor of Lynn Crochet, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys about 10 different ways to display scrunchies for your market. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do a lot of craft market and craft fair display setups. I do a lot of tips for craft fairs, crochet tutorials, Addy tutorials, all kinds of stuff. I also have a lifestyle channel where I do other DIYs outside of yarn. So if you're interested in that, you can check out that channel too. That is Taylor Lynn Co. And I'll put that in the bio as well. But I'm really excited for this one. Any of you guys who have followed all my stuff know that I love scrunchies. These are just a couple that I have. If you're wondering what scrunchie pattern this is Molly of White Owl Crochet Co. I'll also put a link to her shop below. That's whose pattern I use to make all of these scrunchies. And I love Molly. She's so sweet. She's so nice. And I talk to her all the time. She's great. But her pattern was like, I remember when I first started crocheting, I actually thought like a cotton crochet scrunchie would be so cute. And I searched crochet scrunchie, and she's the first person that popped up. It was the only pattern I could find at the time, and I'm so glad because it's perfect, it's easy to follow. So yeah, so definitely check out her pattern if you want to make some scrunchies. But let's get on to all of these different displays. Some of them are DIY, some of them are using just stuff I had around my house that you probably have similar items in your home as well. And then other things are things that you can just go to Joann's, Michael's, or Hobby Lobby and find these items to display what you need. So let's go. Okay, so this is my first scrunchie display. This is one that you guys have probably seen if you've watched any of my craft fair videos. I've used this one quite a bit. I usually have it setting up on some kind of crates, either on a table, within a crate, or on top of crates that I have stacked up. Like I have a crate wall. I'll show you a crate wall picture right here for you guys. So if you like that idea, if you want to see more about that, I have some videos on that I can link below for you guys. But basically, this is a mug holder. I got this at Target. It's $17, I want to say. It doesn't say on here, but I did get it at Target. It is the Threshold brand, and it's just something that you can hang like your coffee mugs off. I'm sure that when me and Trevor get our house built, that I will probably actually start hanging some coffee mugs off this and use it on the shelf. But for the most part, I just stack it inside one of my crates with all my market prep stuff and keep it there until I need to use it for markets. This is a super fun one. I really love. And I'm just going to start with this one first just because you guys have probably already seen this one. And then I will start showing you all of the next ones that I did. So I really like this scrunchie display. This is the second one. I kind of display all the scrunchies on this top little bar and then put all of them color coordinated below so people can grab from there. Basically, all you need for this one is some kind of tray. I think I got this one at Joann's when it was on sale. Any size will work, whatever you have laying around your house. And then I got this little stand from, I want to say, Michael's or Joann's on sale. It was Michael's, and it was on sale for like $9. And all as I did was grab a scrunchie of each color that I had and slid them on either end. So basically super simple, slide them on there, and then I laid all of these scrunchies out in the box in color order. I kind of tried to do it like a rainbow because that is what looks more aesthetically pleasing to me. And then you have your display. For display number 3, I just did this really simple one, but it's really pretty. I really like this one. All you need is, again, just any tray that you have at your house, and then 2 smaller trays, boxes, separators, and basically I just put all my colors into 3 separate piles and then put them each in their own bin or divided them and threw them right in there. I think this is super cute. I got the tray from Joann's and the bin's actually from Michael's, so it fits perfectly, it matches. Yeah, and I think it looks really good. And it's something super simple anyone can do with just stuff that you have from home, and people will really like it and hopefully buy lots of scrunchies from you. The next display is this one. It's not my favorite one. I ran out of clothespins, so it was kind of hard for me to show you guys, but I thought this would be a good idea if you had an extra clothing rack that you could just tie some string across and use some safety pins and pin your scrunchies up. You could also do this with like a cork board or something like that that you have. That would be a really good idea. This is something that you can do if you don't have a ton of scrunchies, but you want to display them in a really creative way. So that is display number 4. So here's my 5th display. Super basic, super easy. Basically, you can take any kind of cute basket that you have at your house, plop it out. I got this wicker one at Goodwill for like literally 50 cents. Check out your local Goodwill, Salvation Army. And you can just throw scrunchies, any colors, mix them all together. Some people like digging through things and looking at all the different colors. So I think this is a really cute, super basic way to do it. Any buckets, bins, anything you have will work for this one. The 6th display idea I have is to take some kind of trays or plates. These are actually little things that go under like your paper plates to add structure. My grandma used to have these growing up. I again got these at Goodwill for like 25 cents each. A lot of people have them at garage sales. And just laying out 3 plates that you find aesthetically pleasing and putting a different color scrunchie in each. You could easily put these on top of crates, on a crate wall. You could put them on your tables, lay them out at your checkout stand. I think this is a really super simple, cute way to display your scrunchies. So display number 7 is this 3-tiered little stand that I have. You can buy fruit stands. They sell them at like Home Goods. I've seen them at Costco, Walmart, anywhere you can get them at. And they work really great for this. Basically, you just have whatever stand that you have and I like to put all of one color on each tier, and I like to do all cool tones or all warm tones or all pastels and kind of make them coordinating colors. But this is something super simple that you can put on top of tables, on top of crates. You can put this pretty much anywhere in your booth space and it will be a statement piece, and it's super cute and easy to do. This is display number 8. I know it's a lot like one of the ones I did earlier with the little plates, but you can get a deeper basket or bin to stick your items in. This would be a great thing if you had a really small booth space, but you had a ton of scrunchies that you wanted to bring with you. You can fit it. Almost all of my scrunchies fit in this bin. Putting the little letter sign of signage behind it is just something that could add a lot to it. I think it's super cute and customers will really like it. So display number 9 is actually a DIY display. I've used this in a few setups. Usually put this on my checkout stand because it doesn't take a lot of space, but it still lets people see scrunchies when they go to check out. And basically you just need 2 wooden dowels and a little wooden base. You can get these at Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I drilled 2 holes in the bottom and put my dowels in. You can secure them with wood glue, but I kind of like that mine can come apart for storage. And just stack your scrunchies in whatever color order that you see fit, and that's it. That's all it takes. It's super simple and super cute. So this is display number 10. This is probably my favorite display. It's another kind of DIY one for you guys. I have my sign, and then I have my scrunchies right underneath on all my hooks. I color coordinated them all and then did a little tray on the bottom. And basically this is just a piece of pegboard that I picked up at my local Home Depot, and I zip tied to a clothing rack. You can see right here, like literally 3 zip ties are holding this thing together. And I just put this right up there, put the 3 zip ties in. The pegboard's pretty light. And then you can see my zip ties on the back. I just tied the bottom to keep it from flailing out if there was wind or something. And it'll be indoors for the most part for this stand. I have all my scrunchies. My little tray is sitting on 2 hooks. And I think that this is super cute and easy for you guys to do. So I just realized I totally didn't film an outro for this video, but I would love to hear in the comments below which scrunchie display was your guys' favorite, if you plan on using them, if you have a different idea for a scrunchie display. I definitely would love to know. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and so hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, more market displays, crochet tutorials, Addy tutorials, business tips, any of that kind of stuff. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and feel free to check out my other craft fair videos. If you really like this one, I think you'll really like those ones as well, and I will see you guys next time.